The idea for essentry was born when an international data center provider, one my partner Rupi had previously built, was searching for a secure, fully automated access management system that also offered the best possible user experience. To understand the problem in depth, we spent days shadowing their processes to identify pain points and gaps. The problem is we couldn't find any solution on the market that met all these needs. But we did find inspiration at airports, where automated border control technology was already being used successfully. We realized that this technology was perfectly suited for our use case if adapted to comply with German data protection standards. So we decided to build the product ourselves. With our first go live, we then quickly learned that the same challenges existed across other areas of critical infrastructure as well. One of the most challenging aspects of serving critical infrastructure is that it's the complete opposite of what I learned and even taught in business school, where you're encouraged to fail fast, pivot, and iterate. In our space, failure is not an option. That is why it took us nearly 5 years to develop the product before signing our first major deal. The most rewarding moments, on the other hand, are always tied to seeing our solutions go live in high security environments and knowing it's protecting critical operations every single day. We had several important milestones: winning our first major client, our first deployment in the US, signing our first government contract, and most importantly for me, building our team. We are a relatively small team for what we do, and this is only possible and only works because every single person takes real ownership of their work. I'm proud to say that many of them have been with us since the very beginning. If I could do something differently, it would be to focus on essentry even earlier. In the early days, even before the company was officially founded, I was splitting my time between working as a venture capitalist, sourcing the best ideas in the market, and building essentry. That VC experience helped me create a better company than I could have without it, but sometimes I wonder how much faster we could have moved if I had been 100% focused right from the start.